When you search for the best electric boat anchor winches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to truly find out what works and what's just fluff, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Scotty Anchor Lock number 276. First up is the Scotty 276 Anchor Lock. Priced at just $39.16, this little device caught my eye for its simplicity and straightforward design. If you want a reliable anchor lock system for small boats, this is worth a serious look. The Scotty Anchor Lock is designed for still water situations, making it perfect for fishing. Its tough metal construction and roller bearings ensure smooth, quiet operation, which is essential when you're trying to keep things serene on the water. The easy lock and release action allows you to adjust your anchor line with minimal fuss. It can handle rope up to ½ inch in diameter, and with over 50 units sold in the last month, it seems to be a hit among boaters. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want to avoid the hassle of manually dealing with your anchor, this device can save you time and stress. Now, some people complained about its suitability for rough waters. Here's the thing though. While it's not meant for heavy-duty use, for casual fishing trips in calm conditions, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you have a small boat and mostly fish in calm waters. Skip this one if you're planning to navigate through choppy conditions. At this price point, it's a solid investment for peace of mind. Now, if the Scotty Anchor Lock's limited scope bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Minn Kota Deckhand, DH-40. Next, we have the Minn Kota Deckhand Electric Anchor Winch, DH-40, retailing at $443.03. This product really stood out because of its one-touch automation feature. If you want hands-free anchoring, you should definitely pay attention to this one. The deckhand operates automatically, raising and lowering your anchor with just a button press. It boasts a heavy-duty capacity of 40 pounds and comes pre-spooled with 100 feet of strong 800-pound test nylon rope. That's something you definitely need if you want to fish without constantly battling with your anchor. The anti-drag system allows for controlled drifting, ensuring that you stay at your desired depth without any constant adjustments. With rave reviews expected once it hits the market, people are looking forward to this game changer. However, some users found it a bit complicated to install. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in some effort for a big payoff in convenience, this isn't a deal breaker. This is ideal for those who want to fish frequently without the hassle of manual anchoring. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or don't anchor often. For what it does, the price is pretty reasonable. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers.
Product number 3, ACDET 45 LBS Electric Winch. Now let's talk about the ACDET 45 LBS Electric Boat Anchor Winch, priced at $207.22. What caught my attention here is its wireless remote control feature. If you want convenience without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. This winch is made from durable engineering plastics and has a powerful pure copper motor, which means it can handle a maximum anchoring capacity of 45 pounds. That's great for various boating situations. The rope release speed of nearly 20 feet per second means you won't waste any time setting up your anchor. Plus, the automatic power-off function protects the machine from high current damage, ensuring a longer lifespan. Users are excited about its performance in reviews, and it looks like a dependable choice. One downside mentioned by some users is the lack of a warranty. But here's the thing, many found it reliable enough that they felt confident without one. Just be mindful if you prefer the peace of mind a warranty provides. This is perfect for you if you want a solid winch that's easy to operate and doesn't require professional installation. Skip this if you need a product backed by an extensive warranty. For its features, the price feels justified. Now, if the ACDET's warranty situation concerns you, our next choice offers something a bit different. Product number 4, Track Outdoors Deck Boat 40 Auto Deploy G3 Electric Anchor Winch. This caught my eye because it includes everything you need right out of the box, which is super convenient. If you want a straightforward setup, listen up. The track winch allows you to raise and lower your anchor with just the press of a button. It features a high-efficiency motor that consumes less battery power than other models, perfect for long fishing trips. It has a capacity of 40 pounds and includes 100 feet of pre-wound anchor rope. The fact that it's designed to work with both separate and integrated anchor rollers means you can customize your setup. It's a great pick for anyone looking for a complete system. That said, it doesn't come with an anchor, which some users found frustrating. Here's why it's still worth it. You can choose an anchor that suits your specific needs, ensuring a better fit for your boating style. This is ideal for boaters who appreciate a complete package without the hassle of extra purchases. Skip this if you already have an anchor that you love. For everything included, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if the missing anchor was a deal breaker for you, the last product offers a different perspective.
Product number 5, SCI TOO 25 pounds winch and motor. Finally, let's look at the SCI TOO 25 pound saltwater boat electric anchor winch, priced at $149.08. This one really stood out due to its waterproof rating and robust design. If you want durability at an affordable price, this might be the one for you. This winch is tailored for boats up to 20 feet and allows for easy anchoring with just a button press. The IP67 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in wet conditions. It comes with a remote control for operation from a distance, which is super handy. The 100-foot pre-wound braided anchor rope is a nice touch that saves you the trouble of purchasing additional accessories. For the budget-friendly boaters out there, this winch seems to hit the mark. Some users reported concerns about the remote control's battery not being included. But here's the deal. As long as you're prepared to snag a battery, the functionality is excellent and well worth it. This is perfect for casual boaters who want reliability without overspending. Skip this if you're looking for something heavy-duty. Given its pricing and features, it offers great value for the cost.
To wrap things up, we had the Scotty Anchor Lock for budget-friendly simplicity, the Minn Kota DH40 for high-tech convenience, the Actet for a solid wireless option, the Track G3 for a complete package, and the SCI TO for durability at a great price. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that meets your boating needs best.